Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020. I almost said 2019. Happy 2020. It's a new year. I haven't vlogged since the cruise. I was gonna say Christmas, but I think I vlogged a little bit more on the cruise. I didn't vlog that much. I thought I was gonna vlog more, but after Vlogmas, I really just like couldn't vlog anymore. So I took like 2 weeks off. And now we're back. I was looking at my schedule and I think I'm gonna upload just on Saturdays again. And then I might add Wednesday back in if I can, but just like with working more now, we're gonna stick to Saturdays. And then if I upload twice, then I'll upload again on Wednesday and Saturday. But look out for new videos on Saturday. It's Saturday right now when you're watching this. Hi, hope you're having a great Saturday. Welcome to the weekend. It's 8:09 right now on Tuesday when I'm filming this, and I planned to film today, but then I realized I'm not really doing anything today, so I have to go to an appointment at 9:30. So I'm gonna go downstairs and have breakfast, and then Dylan and I are gonna go to the gym after my appointment, and then maybe we'll do something fun, but I don't know what to do. So yeah, I guess we're gonna figure that out together, so stay tuned. I just finished up at my appointment. Stop lighting, you can't see me here. And my car won't start. Doesn't work. This keeps happening to me. And I think it's because it thinks it's being stolen. I'm not trying to steal it, so I don't understand that. And there's like this little dinger doesn't work. And I'll go to like lock it or unlock it and like it lights up. See? But it doesn't do anything. Happened to me the other morning when I was going to get the kids on the bus, and it wouldn't, because I usually automatic start it from my window. Wouldn't start. So I went out and I tried to like manually do it. Wouldn't start. Then Dylan went to do it. Worked fine. And it like has this little anti-theft thing, and it will light up, and you have to like beep in a code for the radio to work and for this to work. And I had to do that, and then this thing keeps being like put in the code, and it's so annoying. This doesn't work. Like if I try to like lock it, nothing works. These don't work. These stop working when it thinks it's being Dylan's on his way to come get me, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I need to like bring it to Acura and be like, why does my car think I'm trying to steal it every time I get into it? Because this is ridiculous. I'm going to be trapped somewhere. So yeah, that's what's going on. I just want to go to the gym. But it looks like we're going to go to the gym and then have to either get this towed or take it to Acura if we can get it on. And I need to send Dylan my location. So I called AAA. And they're coming in 40 minutes. Now we have to get it towed like that. Are you coming back? A AAA truck just went back. I think that's gonna be the same guy.
He's probably bringing it to that place and coming back.
I guess we're not going to the gym yet. Hopefully it's not gonna cost me a lot of money. Whoa, are you okay?
What?
Did you see him slip on the ice?
No.
He was like...
And he walks back. Had a huge
Cute. now we wait. So, we're home now. The guy came. There's a bolt loose on the battery. Stay. So yeah, there's a bolt loose on the battery.
Right.
On the battery. So, which is good because then I don't have to pay for it to get fixed. But it also made me make an appointment to get inspected. So I'm having carrots and hummus before we go to the gym. Hi guys, so I showered and I'm in the same spot. I'm in the same spot as I was earlier, but we went to the gym, I showered, and now I'm having my little lunch, which looks really funny. And I'm having a turkey wrap because that's what Dylan had and it sounded really good. And then chips and guac, which is a spicy guac. It's so good. And then I'm gonna get ready. Oh my gosh, it's already 3 o'clock. Then I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go to his grandma's house because we have to drop something off. And I don't know if we're having dinner there or not. I might make her dinner, but I don't know. Stay tuned. Okay, hi guys. So, I'm gonna throw some makeup on really quickly so we can go drop that off at Dylan's grandma's house. I'm not gonna do like craziness, but like my face isn't the same color as my body. So I'm just gonna fix that really quick. And Dylan got me this new little mirror for Christmas. It's the one that Bryn has. You open it up and then it has the little light. You can see yourself. But it's a little sister scary at times because you can see everything. Like I need to put my eyebrows a little bit. So I'm gonna time lapse this here. I need to like move this one. Can it go back? I'm gonna time lapse this while I get ready because I need to do it pretty quickly. Oh, Kaylee Varney, if you watch her on YouTube, she lives in Bridgewater, I think. She went to Bridgewater State. She's one of Maggie MacDonald's friends. She just posted my story on her story. She's a fitness Instagram. And I love it. She's so cute. Babe, I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready, Freddy.
Oh my God.
What are you watching?
The Green Hornet.
Never seen it. Hi guys. So, I flopped. We went to Dylan's grandma's house and then we decided we were gonna go to my family's restaurant for dinner and I forgot to vlog all of it. So I am, well, what time is it? 7 right now. I just got home and I'm gonna go pack my lunch for tomorrow. Get all that squared away, pick out my outfit for tomorrow because I have to wake up at 5:15 and get ready and go. I'm gonna pack my breakfast too because I don't have time to eat it in the morning and I'll just eat it. I'm thinking probably while I'm at the kids that I get on the bus's house, but I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna pack that and my lunch and get everything ready for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do a face mask and watch the first episode of The Bachelor. I started it while I was at the gym because Dylan has a Hulu account and I've literally never watched The Bachelor before in my life. Like I think I watched part of an episode one time in college and I was like, this is so stupid, like what? It makes no sense to me. And then like everyone, I listen to podcasts and like everyone's been talking about The Bachelor this like season, and I'm like, want to know what they're talking about when I listen to it. Like Brooke and Danielle's podcast, Gals on the Go, great podcast. I would give it a listen if you haven't. They talk about it and I want to know what they're talking about, so I'm gonna watch it. But it's a 3-hour first episode. 3 hours? Really? So I started at the gym, so I probably watched like 20 minutes, but yeah, I'm gonna do a face mask and watch that. So I'm gonna go pack my lunch and do that. Well, don't mind me making my lunch.
Oh.
And I'm gonna do a face mask and watch The Bachelor.
There you go.
And I've never watched The Bachelor before. And Dylan's gonna go play his new video game. He's so excited.
Got the new Modern Warfare. Gotta go kill some people.
Have fun. Have fun.
Thanks, babe.
Hi guys, so I'm literally in the middle of doing a face mask right now. So you just saw that like clip end, but my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please ignore my appearance. I promise I will look better next week. Maybe. And I will see you next week on Saturdays. New uploads every Saturday. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole, 2 A's and 2 E's, and I will see you next week. Bye.